This is a room tour of 1901. It's a king room at the Orleans. We're right on the end of the corridor, so this room might look a little bit different to some of the others. As you come in, nice big king bed with a light either side. Got a mirror on the wall, and then got a little bench to sit on. You've got your telly. Your safe is in the cupboard. No fridge or coffee maker or anything like that in this room. It's just drawers. You've got a writing desk and a chair and a lamp, a bit of art on the wall. You do have like a sofa, which is very nice, a table and another chair, and you've got a full-length mirror as well. And then here's your bathroom area. Your closet's in the bathroom, which is not ideal, but. And then you've got your sink, mirror. It's good lighting, hair dryer and everything. You've got some products on there. Hello. And you've got your bath and shower combination and your toilet. And I'm just trying to show you the view, but it might not come out very well because it's dark and the lights are all on. So what I'll do is, you can sort of see what the view's like. I'll do a view in the morning as well, but that is a room tour of a king room at Orleans. Thanks for watching, guys.